Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurada Takifah binti Samsuri. My metric number is 10DKM 31F1047. I'm from DKN 3A. Now, we would like to present about our mini project, which is road roller. Introduction. The feature-based parametric modeling technique enables the designer to incorporate the original design intent into the construction of the model. The word parametric means the geometric definition of the design, such as dimensions, can be varied at any time in the design process. Parametric modeling is accomplished by identifying and creating the key features of the design with the aid of computer software. In Autodesk Inventor, the parametric part modeling process involves the following steps. First, create a raw two-dimensional sketch of the basic shape of the base feature of the design. Second, apply or modify constraints and dimensions to the two-dimensional sketch. Third, extrude, revolve or shape the parametric two-dimensional sketch to create the base solid feature of the design. Next, add additional parametric features by identifying features relationship and complete the design. Lastly, perform analysis of a computer model and refine the design. Type of our project that we choose is toys, which is road roller. Here we got 10 parts after we open the project one by one, which is base, body, bolt, inner body, roller holder, roller, spot rim, steel, tail and tire.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Intan Syamimi binti Ibrahim and my metric number is 10DKM 21F1004. Okay, this is the assembly project. All parts that has been assembled in each part. Okay, next, it is the part that needs to be exploded. Number 1, explode the project tire. Number 2, explode the project spot rim. And number 3, exploded the second tire in the project. And number 4, exploded the second spot rim. Number 5, exploded steel. Number 6, exploded the roof. Number 7, exploded inner head. Number 8, exploded the roller. Number 9, exploded the roller holder. And the last one is exploded tail. Okay, the next one is the presentation of project road roller.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nur Sakinah binti Ma'ali. My number metric is 10DKN 31F1007. So now, as you can see, this is our drafting exploded. We have 10 items. Firstly is base, board, roller holder, roller, body, spot rim, steel, tail and tire, and last one is inner body. For the base, we use the material paint, plastic, and board is steel carbon. Roller holder is paint plastic, roller also is paint plastic, body paint plastic, spot rim paint plastic, and the steel is we use steel alloy. Tail also is paint plastic. Tire we use rubber, black, and for inner body, we use paint plastic. So now, this is our drafting for board. This is drafting for base. Drafting for inner body. Drafting for roller holder. Beside that, we have drafting for body. Next is drafting for roller, drafting for sport rim, drafting for tire. Our project have a tail, so this is drafting for tail. And the last one for drafting is tail. As you know, our project is road roller. So, the conclusion is, from doing the task, we practice our skill on using Autodesk's Inventor and also learn some new knowledge while doing the task. We also draw the pipe that have been given to us. This task we are challenging because we need to measure the pipe correctly to ensure it can be assembled. There was some problem while doing this, but us already find that way to overcome the problem by asked to our lecturer and also made some research on the internet. This skill and knowledge that gained from doing this task we are useful in future. Lastly, while doing this task, I will learn new skill and overcome some problem to ensure we complete the task, and it is good to us because the skill we learn today can easy us in future. Before I finish it, there is no denying this project is difficult, but we still have fun. I want to thank you for everyone that watching our video. Thank you.